Okay, so I saw this cool thing where you can basically, let's say animated profile. I saw this and I want to give this a go. Just going to walk through this and show you what it looks, example. So it's basically supposed to be like animated in inbox. So I think this is, yeah, I think this is very similar here.
Open rate. I especially love this because it feels like painting. And here's how I did it. I shot on my front-facing camera on cinematic mode. This is what I'm shooting this very video on right now.
Okay, so shoot on your front-facing camera on cinematic mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a go. How do I get to go? Okay, I guess how to shoot swipe. Oh, video. Oh, portrait. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's cool. All right, so I'm gonna record this. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna try this one. So I'm gonna just airdrop this to me. Boom. Excuse me. All right, so I have the video. So now let's go ahead.
I put my favorite clip in a video editor and slowed it down by 40%.
Okay, so I'm going to tell that to Claude. Okay, we are doing an animated Gmail photo. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to talk to it here. We're doing an animated Gmail photo so that when I do email outreach, it stands out from the rest of the inbox with a nice little GIF animation of my face. Here is the video that I just recorded from my phone. Crop it, slow it down, and convert it to a GIF as something I can use for my Gmail profile photo. All right, so while it's doing that, what I want to do next is basically, I want to see if Claude has access to be able to just upload it to my Gmail account automatically, because it has access. So I want to see if it can auto-upload it. Check if you can auto upload profile picture. If not, I will manually do it, but I hope you have. As much as possible, I like to try and get Claude to things, but if it doesn't have access, I'm going to ask if there's API keys I could provide it. We'll get it access. So while that's right, let's see what else it said. We were working at the 11 lab. So I actually have a really cool loop that I'll show, but while I'm waiting for that, I'll just need to top up my 11 labs credits. Oh, so the photo, the crop. So it made those. Crop frames your face now, clear slate. The GIF, 2x slow. Okay, so it will do it. My coffee while that's doing that. Another thing I need to keep in mind is make sure that these are always on, because sometimes the battery will die like mid-record, and that's annoying. So I always like to make sure my gear is fully charged. These are actually pretty nice. I think they're around maybe $50 for the set. I think I ordered it off of Amazon or something. I don't quite remember, but these work well. All right, let's see where we're at in the status. And sorry, this video isn't like fully polished. This is more just like a test of me testing my OBS setup. So once I record this video, I'm going to show you guys my OBS setup because I think it's going to be really helpful for you. But continue watching this.
Exported it as a GIF. Then all I had to do was go to manage account on Google and upload it right here. So nice. Nobody knows this about Gmail because nobody does it. You can make animated profile pictures to increase open painting, and here's how I did it. I shot on my front-facing camera on cinematic on right now. I put my favorite clip in a video editor and slowed it down by 40%. I exported it as a GIF. Then all I had to do was go to manage account on Google and
yes, add it here. Profile picture. I can't upload via URL, but I can upload it directly. Put the GIF file in my downloads folder. Oh, okay. Let's see if that works. Use that one, the lowest size. Hopefully that one will. Let's try it. Let's try a bigger one. Cool. All right, let's try it. Obviously, I'm gonna have to probably get a tighter one than that, but you know what? I'm actually gonna edit my as well. It actually worked very nice. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. That was easy.